Welcome to the first video in our deep learning series. In this video, we'll introduce you to the world of deep learning and neural networks. Whether you're a beginner or looking to solidify your foundation, this video will give you a solid understanding of deep learning and why it's revolutionizing fields like computer vision and natural language processing. What is deep learning? At its core, deep learning is a subfield of artificial intelligence that uses algorithms to mimic the way humans think and learn. Unlike traditional machine learning, which relies on feature engineering and simpler models, deep learning uses multi-layered neural networks to automatically extract features from raw data. Deep learning enables computers to recognize patterns and make decisions independently, without needing explicit instructions for every step. It's particularly powerful when working with large datasets like images, speech, or text. The more data, the better the model can learn. Why is deep learning so powerful? One of the main reasons deep learning is so effective is its ability to automatically learn features from data. For example, in image recognition, instead of manually coding rules for the computer to recognize a cat or a dog, deep learning allows the model to learn these features on its own through layers of abstraction. The deeper the network, the more complex patterns it can learn. In facial recognition, early layers may detect simple shapes like edges or corners. As the network deepens, it recognizes more complex patterns like eyes, noses, and eventually faces. This is why deep learning is so effective for tasks like image classification, speech recognition, and self-driving cars. What are neural networks? Now let's talk about neural networks, the backbone of deep learning. A neural network is similar to the neurons in our brain. These artificial neurons are connected and communicate to process information. Each neuron receives input, processes it, and passes the result to other neurons. A neural network has three main parts. Input layer receives data like an image or sentence. Hidden layers process the data, transforming it using mathematical functions to extract features. Output layer produces the final result, such as predicting a category for an image or generating text. How do neural networks work? In a neural network, information flows from one neuron to another, with each connection having a weight that determines the information's importance. The neurons apply an activation function to decide if the information should be passed on. During training, the network adjusts these weights by comparing its predictions with actual outcomes. Through a technique called backpropagation, it minimizes errors, improving over time, similar to how we learn from mistakes. Why is deep learning important? Deep learning has led to advancements once thought impossible. It's solving problems like image recognition and language translation at scale. Today, deep learning powers innovations in fields like healthcare, finance, and entertainment. Moreover, deep learning is essential for autonomous systems such as self-driving cars and intelligent robots. Its ability to process vast amounts of data and make real-time decisions is transforming industries and society. In this video, we've covered the basics of deep learning and neural networks, what they are, how they work, and why they're powerful. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into the architecture of neural networks, exploring the layers and functions that make them work. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into cutting-edge development tools. Meta Design Solutions is here to help. Reach out to us at this email ID. See you in the next video.